I sell cards. They're called MindSpark cards. They are they came in as an innovation because of how people nowadays sit together, families come together instead of talking like it used to be in the past when we were growing, and everyone is on their phone. And you find there is no intention of meeting, people do not have what to talk about. So when I saw that, I came up with cards that we can play, not matter to. That people are used to knowing cards as matter to know, but cards that can spark a conversation. There are different packs. We have 4 as of now, as we speak, but we have questions in geography, questions in the Bible, questions from the football world, and also one that has general knowledge. So the other packs, the geography, football, and Bible, they have 40 questions and one master card that has answers. People play these cards like quiz. You can sit together and be like, okay, fine, we're going to ask ourselves these questions, and there's a reference where you have to see the right answer or the wrong answer. And it's fun. You can be like, okay, the one who gets the answer wrong is going to get a penalty. They are not vulgar, they have important messages. So as you play, as you go along, you find you're making your mind busy. That's why I call them mind spark. Your mind is thinking and you learn something as well as have fun. When you want to be an innovator, you have to think outside the box. If you want to think about something that have not been done by other people or by the people around you, then we just got a message that when the market is a rumor, you can go on and do what your fathers did. But when it's a message, you can do what your children or your kids will also sell. So innovation comes from sitting down and thinking outside the box, outside what we know or what we have been seeing when we are growing. And that you can come up with an innovation, and you never know tomorrow. It can be big, it can grow bigger, like all these other people that we have seen coming up with different things, and before you know it, this is the only thing that is existing in the country and actually acts outside the country. These cards can be played by Ugandans, people outside Uganda, because there are a little similar cards that actually people import from China. And Chinese make those cards and they send them to Uganda and people buy them. But those people have the same brains that we have. So we can sit, think, and come up with something that can make money, would draw fun, because all we need, the youth are so focused on fun. But I had to come up with something that can make fun, also knowledgeable, and also make money in the same style. Like for example, this is about the general box. You see this question. It says, who is the most important person in your life? Just think about when you are together with your friends and then or your family, and then you're eager to know, okay, who is the most important person in my mom's life? And they say, oh, maybe it's this one. If they do not want to say, they get a penalty or doing something different. And you're having fun, and and me who's selling them, I'm making money. These MindSpark cards, I supply them to different supermarkets. They have a code, they have a number, they have an email for everyone who needs them. I also sell them on my social media handles like TikTok. Nowadays, people use social media mostly for business. You can be there and you don't know who is seeing and who is interested, who will be interested in your product. As a leader, as a youth leader, I want to end up calling upon all the youth, you cannot wait to finish school or to finish whatever you're doing to find a job, and because there's no guarantee that you're actually going to find a job. So the biggest problem that we are facing in Uganda right now is poverty, and we are the youth that are supposed to be coming up and fighting this, because if we do not fight poverty, all the repercussions, all the consequences of poverty are going to keep following us. They will also still follow our children, and our country will remain in one place, stagnant. So it's upon us to fight poverty, but how? You cannot wait to be there and study, maybe university or wherever you are, and finish and still go on streets to look for a job. It's upon you, it's up to you, it's up to me to think outside the box. If you go into the histories of the people who are successful today, they have thought outside, they have done some incredible things that were not done by other people. So you have to think outside the box if you really, really, really want to come out of poverty, or if you want to become someone in the future. The future starts now. We are the one that builds it.